So from the biomolecule perspective, there are two parts. One is we are working on the biologics a lot. So many Indian pharmaceutical companies are biologics companies are working on many of the biosimilars per se, I should say, and couple of industries are also working on the novel biologics. So these are the two parts. The other part we can also consider on the peptide. So where we are also working on the second segmentation on peptides, oligonucleotides, gene therapy, cell therapy. So all these things are a novel part of biologics, which is emerging as novel therapies. Yeah, see, peptides from the generic perspective, there are a lot of scopes. Now, with the recent guidance from FDA as well as EMA and Indian regulators, we have a clear-cut pathway how to go ahead, and we have a great support from Indian regulators as well as US and Europe, where we will get a clear guidance what we exactly need to that from the perspective of how it is evolving. There are a lot of good biosimilar molecules, peptides, which will going to off patent nearby. So many people are working on that stage wise, and we need to we would be the first kind of a thing. We should work in that direction where we would be the first kind of organization where we should get the approval and do the needful for the human, from even from the India perspective as well global perspective, from cost effective drug. We can even provide the cost effective drugs from. That's the key from the Indian pharma perspective. Okay, so I can categorize into two perspective. So both the regulators have a clear cut differentiation. I mean, clear cut guidance document is available. From India perspective, they're providing a support a lot. I mean, as and when we submit, and we are getting proper response on that Sugam portal kind of a thing. So the support is really good. Now the most important part we are expecting from the CITSCO and other agency is somewhere if some guidance documents are not present and gray areas are there, so that guidance needs to be provided on immediate basis. Apart from that, it's going well kind of a thing. Yeah. So I'm fortunate enough to be a speaker on this ET Pharma. So it's one of the conference where exclusively we are people are talking on peptides, oligonucleotides kind of a thing, whereas in many of the conferences it is like mixed mode kind of a thing. So here the learning aspects is bit more. We are going deeper in many of the aspects, so that's really helping, and we need such conference in future regularly, yearly basis, with a lot of multiple I should say topics to be covered in this conference. And thanks a lot for this conducting such great conference.